Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. So what did the Bank Nifty do today? It's a very good sign for us to see this kind of candle forming in today's session. And as you can see, there is a complete 180-degree turn from this setup. This setup is called as Bull 180 because this complete red candle has been taken out by the green candle. So let's see what is the high of this red candle. The high was about 31900. You can see it on the top left here. Okay, so the high was 31900 and the high for today's candle is about 32019. So I could have gone long even if it gone by 1 point above this high. So this is a sure shot buy signal for us to see the reversal from the market, and the location of the reversal is also very important. You see the location here. If you can see this chart, so this was a level from where Bank Nifty has reversed in the past. This was a point and it has come into this zone right now, and this is an entire zone which was a strong resistance in the past. Here, okay, so this was a strong resistance in the past. Now it has become a support. So as you can see, it has taken a good support here and it has turned bullish. So market opened gap down, then came down till this point 30,661, and after that it started moving up above the VWAP, that is today, and it continued to be above the VWAP most of the trading session, and from there it has taken a bounce at about 130 and moved to a new high. Okay, and it closed near the high of the day, which is very good sign for us, and it closed above the opening. Day opened at about open is 31820, right, and the close was about 31831. So it closed and opened at the same point. If we have to look at this candle, the open was 31002, close was 31840. So 800 point movement we have got today, and it has closed above in a positive territory. So we can expect the market to stay a little bit sideways for a couple of days, and then this super trend will also follow down, and then it can give a breakout, which can be a good sign for us to see and go long. And today I have already added a lot of positions in my swing positional trades in a portfolio trade. So I picked up stocks and invested into that so that we can get the maximum benefit. Last time market came up to this corona time, this was a level where I invested about 17,000, and I was able to liquidate everything at this level. The only way to be successful in the market, guys, is to have a strategy in place, which is a rule based strategy. Either you can do a stop loss based rule based strategy, or you can go for options hedging. So today also my position was completely hedged. I have bought a 31,200 call and sold a 31,500 call. When did I do that? I did that when at the open, when the market came till here, I have bought a 31,200 call, then sold a 31,500 call. Later the market came down when this super trend broke and it came down, then I added one more position. That means I added the quantity to 31,200 and 31,500, and later at this level I closed the position about 3,000 profit today, and I am continuing my hedge strategy, which is this one. So right now it's at the peak, which is also giving me a profit, but I am expecting a little bit of bounce back. The market can open a little bit lower tomorrow, and it can remain sideways tomorrow, being Wednesday, 2 days left, Wednesday and Thursday for expiry. So it can be in this range. If it has to move big, then it has to move big tomorrow. If it has to be in sideways, then it has to be sideways for next 2 days. So that is very critical. So let's see how it happens, and if any adjustments, what I'll do is I will take the profitable position, which is call side 31,800. I book this, go a little forward and create another position, or I can square off this entire position and create a fresh position along the movement of the market. If I change this to 32,000 call, how does it look? Okay, we are moving from 31,800 to 32,000. Let's see if it is profitable for us now. So this is not looking great. It's only max profit about 1,500, max loss is about 16,000. Probability of profit is 0, which is not a good position. What we can do is we can definitely stay with the current position, and if we are getting 2,000 profit at the open, we can close this position and then create a fresh position which can be in the direction of the market. Or I can simply go and buy one call of 31,800 extra and remain bullish. But in this scenario, max profit is undefined, probability of profit is 71, max loss is about 23,000. I should be able to get out of this position if I see my profit going below this level, about 31,300. I have to get out immediately. This is one way of adjustment which I can do. So there are various ways which you can do. If you want to do it on the selling side, it will be more profitable, but we have to look at the capital, because selling has become very expensive now. So even if I have to sell one lot, see the margin here. Today the margin is 40,000 because it's hedged position. The moment I sell one lot of 31,800 call, the margin goes to 1,67,000, which is not favorable for us, because ideally I would have happy to sell a put and keep the position like this. So here also my cost will go higher, 1,75,000, which is not advisable. Or I can do one thing, I can add one more lot here, but this becomes a total negative bias side. What I can probably do is I can add one lot of call here and one lot of call sell. So the position will become like this, and my range will be 30,000 to 30,2419, which is 31,770, 31,770 minus 32,419. So I will get a range of about 649 points on the forward side, which I can play. If the Banknifty doesn't move 650 points or 700 points and close there, then I will be in profit of 5,000. This looks a little better strategy for me. Looking at the cost, look at the estimated cost, 60,000. So this I can definitely do if I have to move it forward. And if we see that it is coming back, then also we have enough margin. What we can do is we can do the same thing here. We can sell this too. We can make the position equal if it starts to fall back. So in this scenario, probability of profit is 69%, max profit is 11,000, max loss is 24,000 when it goes out of the range. So there are various ways you can manage. I think I've shown you 3 different ways of managing this particular trade. I hope you like this video, and I don't think anybody will teach you this kind of adjustment strategies in any video. So please watch this video multiple times to understand. And let's see where the market opens up tomorrow, because it's going to be a little bullish as per the trend. So thank you so much for watching and have a great week.